Hey Dev, have you met
Do you
Amber's
like my
boyfriend
earrings?
Roger?
They're so on trend.
We went to Nick and Sam's the other night.
I got them
and
from Tiffany.
He showed up in
I feel like green is really in this season.
big baggy sweatpants and a baggy t-shirt.
Who are you talking about?
Roger, the guy I was telling you about this whole time. Hello, welcome to The Modern Lady, where you'll learn how to elevate your life with elegance. I'm Deborah. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you can get an update when I've got a new video to share. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you ladies so much for your continued love and support for my channel. I appreciate and adore you all. Today's video is about talking over others in a conversation. Pop culture says that you should always be able to get your point across by any means necessary. If you need to talk over someone, interrupt, you can always be the loudest and most determined person in every conversation. Elegant women know that is not the case. It's never polite and proper to interrupt someone else when they are speaking, even if they've interrupted you. You would wait until someone has finished with their sentence, finished sharing their phrase, getting their point across, before you open your mouth to share what you have to say next. Elegant women know that the most charming conversation partners always listen more than they speak. So if you want to be charming, that's one of the key secrets, to listen more than you're speaking in any conversation. In a conversation, another charming secret is for you to ask questions. Ask questions of the person that you are speaking with to keep the conversation going. People are typically really excited about topics and different subjects that are really important to them, and they love to talk about themselves. So if someone is sharing a story about their family or a trip they went on, they'll get really excited if you start to ask them more questions about it and just give them that opportunity to share so that you can learn more about them and their experience. I'll let you in on a third charming secret to having really engaging and captivating conversations. It's always important to listen before you respond. So when you're not talking in a conversation, you shouldn't be thinking about your to-do list or running through your schedule for the next day in your mind. You should be listening and paying attention. When you're listening and paying attention to what someone else is saying in a conversation, you're able to think about what you're going to say before you formulate a response. And that's going to help you to be not only appropriate and respectful, but also engaging in a conversation. You want to be interesting. You want to be fun to talk to. So the best way to do that and to truly be charming is to listen before you respond in a conversation. Another classy life faux pas is to spend too much time in a conversation talking about yourself. If you're in a conversation talking about you all of the time, that's really going to turn off the other person. So instead of talking about just yourself, be interested and engaged in talking about someone else and their ideas and their different topics that they want to share, and that will help you to be a much more charming conversation partner. Ladies, would you like some more elegant inspiration? Check out one of my recent videos on how to start a charming conversation with anyone. I've got the link to that in the description below, and you can also find it at the end of this video. It will pop up on the screen, so you can click on that link and head over to watch that video next. Thank you for tuning in to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you in another one. Bye!